Hey, this is PJ with CLKsupplies, and this is the Major CAK-15 cylinder accessory kit. Now this kit is a perfect fit for anyone who is going to be working with mortise cylinders, especially in a bunch of different types of applications or different cylinders that might not be like the OEM length, but they got to make do with it. You can also use most of these parts on rim cylinders as well. Let me open it up and show you what's inside. Alright, so as you can see here, this kit comes with 3 different types of items. It comes with the cylinder collar, it comes with a cylinder guard, and then it also comes with some wave washers. Let me go through each one and kind of go over them here for a minute. So first I'll go over the cylinder guard. So if you're not familiar with the cylinder guard, what they're designed to do is to take a mortise cylinder like this, and you're going to push it in like that, and it's going to allow extra protection for the mortise cylinder from being tampered with. And so what will happen is when this goes, like if without a cylinder guard, you could potentially grab onto this face and twist it and break stuff. But if you have a cylinder guard on it and you go to twist it, you can't, because this protects it. Now the wave washers here are used with this cylinder guard, and the purpose of them is to kind of hold it tight. So let's say you have it almost all the way into the door, but there's like a little play. You put one of these in, and it kind of keeps the tension between everything and allows it to be nice and snug. The other item that comes in this kit, and as you can see, it comes with 3 different finishes. The 26D or aluminum color, the US3, US4 type color, and then it also comes with the Duro color. Now on the cylinder collars, it comes with 4 different lengths. So it comes with like a 3/32, a 5/32, a 7/32, and a 9/32. Now this is important when you're twisted in the lock, when you're twisting in the mortise cylinder and you get it to where it needs to be, but there's like a gap right here, and like maybe the little beauty ring that comes with the OEM lock isn't big enough to cover that gap, and you don't want this cylinder part here showing. And so what you do is you find the right size spacer, you put it on like that, and that way it matches the finish just like that, and it's a nice professional clean look. In the same way, you can also use these cylinder collars with rim cylinders. And so you can easily just take one of these collars here. For some reason, if the tailpiece and like where to space it to get it right in the latch or in the lock body, you could use one of these as well. And you could put it on, as you can see, like that. It's a nice finish to go with it as well. Now, it is important to note that these are plastic. And as you can see, this color here for the US3, US4 finish is actually, not quite the US3, US4 finish, but it's a nice complementary color that will still make it look professional. So that's it. So this is the kit, the CAK-15. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.